Hey guys, Austin Phillips here, Amazing MFG. We are getting into our frequently asked questions, so let's jump right into it. We got a question here from Sivu, and I'll just read off what he said. So you said you can charge $1,000 to $10,000 per month per client, and your agency is offering 3 to 5 services. Let's say those services are PPC, listings, Amazon images. Do you charge $1,000 a month for all three? Or do you break them up and only charge for certain items? And if it's only a one-time fee, how do you keep charging? So we get this question a lot, and the way I like to look at how we charge clients is I like to look at it as like a holistic kind of view. If you remember back in the day when people were doing social media advertising, it used to be like, hey, we would charge you like so many dollars per how many posts we do on your Facebook page. And this is back in the day. But now it's come kind of full circle where it's like, hey, look, we're going to provide Facebook services for you, and this is just going to be the price. But our goal is this outcome, right? So I want you guys to look at this the same way for Amazon marketing services, right? The goal of running their Amazon store, their products, and selling for them, and running their Seller Central is not just to provide individual services. Your goal is to provide them a service that's going to generate them more money, right? Because you guys are so good at your skills that you're able to increase their sales, increase their visibility, their PPC, all those types of things. So in order to do that, you have to do all these certain things to help optimize their listings, right? You have to do their content for their product listings. You have to do new photography. You need to do all their bullet points. You need to get them brand ungated. You need to protect their brand by getting people not to sell on their listings. All these different types of things. PPC, broad reach keywords, exact match keywords, all these different types of things, with the one goal of getting them more sales, right? So when we charge people, I say, hey, X, Y, and Z, we're charging you $1,500 a month, and what we're going to do is we're going to build your store. And to do that, it's all these different things that we need to do. Because, right, photos you're only going to do one time, right? PPC, sometimes when you get it right, it just keeps running. You don't need to do too much to that, right? So that's how we look at it. The only kind of amount, or I want to say numerical thing we tie to what we do is SKUs, right? We don't want our client to keep adding, saying, hey, we need to add more products, because we're doing the content, or we're doing listings, right? All those types of things, where we try to give a limit, right? So like, if we know a client has 50 SKUs within their book of business, we say, hey, look, what we're charging here, that's for like 20 SKUs, right? We know that's going to be, and that's not 20 SKUs today. That's, we're going to do 5 SKUs a month, and it's going to be that kind of trickle down effect. So that's kind of what we tie it to, and we try to negotiate with the manufacturer as well, just to kind of feel them out. But that's typically how we structure everything, and that's what I recommend every day of the week. Because when you start nickel and diming each little service, that's when you kind of devalue what you do, which what you do is you bring them more money on Amazon. So hopefully that answers your questions. Just hit us up if you have any questions down the road, and look forward to more FAQs.